Hey Earpadz fans! Today, we want to show you how to install your earpads for the Beats Studio 3. We start by removing the pad. The pad is held on by adhesive, so you need to tug on it until it's removed. Once removed, clear any leftover adhesive to ensure your new pads will be applied correctly. Take your new pads and check which side has the indentation for the charging port. Peel off the tape and align the pad with the guidepost and press firmly. Repeat this one more time for the other ear pad and enjoy your new Earpadz by Dekoni Audio.